Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are having a wonderful morning, day, evening, whatever. I just found a Chinese place, a Chinese store. They sell Chinese snacks, so I got some. I'm gonna try them. I have these black square things. It's in Kuwei Ling Xin Lang Zhao Zhou. Kuwei Ling Yang Zhao Zhou. I'm sorry for butchering that if you're for my Chinese watchers. And this one doesn't even have Romanji, so I can't butcher it. Smart move on their part, I guess. So, anyways, I also got these Chinese Red Bull. Here's a closer look. Well, it's mirrored, so you can't see it. So, womp womp. But, like, up here is written Red Bull vitamin drink. And here they even added a vitamin functional drink. So, that's nice. Alright. I'm gonna start with these ones. They have sesame seeds in it. You can get closer. They have sesame seeds. They're like long stick things. So let's cut it. Oh, never mind. There's a. Yeah. Well, you're loose. Let's get vanished. All right. Ooh. They're oily. Smell a bit like I want to say peanut buttery. I have sesame on them. Or let's taste them. Yeah. Like sweet, spicy. Ooh, that's hot. Pretty good. There's like a spongy inside and a spongy texture. Super good. Might not be the last time I eat one of those. It's really hot though. Now for this one. Alright. Now for the Kuei Ling Xin Ling Zhao Zhou. Sorry if I butchered it again. I think it's just pure spice. Did I buy pure spice? This looks like it smells and looks like deaf to any non-spice top eaters. Oh, let's give it a bite. Never mind. It's way more mild than the first one. And it's way sweeter too. But similar texture, similar spongy taste. Also has sesame seeds on it. Also really good. The first one, 8 out of 10. This one, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Oh, these are pretty good. Now finally, for the Red Bull functional drink. I don't know if this is just a coincidence, but the tab is actually aligned with the can. Like the opening point is like on the same verge of the logo, which is rare here. Usually it's just random, which is nice. All right. So 3, 2, 1, divulge. What? Oh damn. It's uncarbonated Red Bull. This is no carbonation in it. What? Just tastes like a Red Bull, but sweeter and not carbonated. Like, listen, there's no carbonation. Nothing. That's crazy. Yeah, I would have rather a regular Red Bull. I'm a carbonation fiend. But for those of you who don't like carbonation, who want Red Bull, give it a shot, I guess. I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. All right. That's it. Bye.